In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a view in Zendesk. Let's get started by setting the stage with the process of accessing the Views admin page. You'll want to begin by finding the Views icon, usually located in the sidebar of your Zendesk dashboard. This is our gateway to managing and creating views, so go ahead and click on it to get started. Once you're in, scroll down to the bottom of your list of existing views. Here, you might see an option labeled More, which looks like three little dots lined up, or you might see Manage Views. Clicking on either will bring you into the space where you can handle your view settings. Alternatively, you can navigate to this page by following this path right through the Admin Center, Workspaces, Agent Tools, then Views. Both routes will lead you to the same destination. Once you're on the Views administration page, locate the button to add a view. You should see an option to add a view, often marked with a plus sign. This is where you'll kick off the creation of your new view. Now let's give it a proper title. This is where you name and describe your view to give it context. Enter a title, something descriptive like Open High Priority Tickets. This will help you immediately understand what the view is about. And while it's optional, adding a brief description can provide clarity about its purpose, which can be helpful for you or your team members. Next, you'll need to set the conditions for what tickets should appear in this view. Under the section Meet All of the Following Conditions, click on Add Condition. You have a range of criteria to choose from. For instance, you might select Ticket Status is less than solved, which will show active tickets. Or perhaps you'll choose Ticket Assignee is the current user to personalize it. You can also add conditions like Ticket Tags contains urgent to focus on the most critical issues. If you need more flexibility, you can use the Meet Any of the Following criteria for a looser logic setup. With conditions set, let's move to previewing the results. Click on Preview Match to make sure that the tickets displayed are the ones you're actually interested in seeing. It's a great way to validate your settings before finalizing everything. After confirming the correct entries appear, you can configure the formatting. This is where you select the columns you want displayed, such as the subject, requester, or status. You also set the grouping and sorting rules, such as sorting by the latest update by requester in descending order, to better organize your view. Next up is defining access. Decide who will be able to see this view. It can be a personal view just for you, shared with specific agents or groups, or visible to all agents according to your needs. Finally, with everything configured to your satisfaction, go ahead and save your work by clicking Save or Create View. This action finalizes your new view, making it ready for use. There you have it. Your custom view in Zendesk is now set up and ready to make ticket management a breeze.